am Sam with my ball. We play games in the hall. You have a little kite, flying high and shining bright. He rides a tiny bike, ring, ring, ring upon the hike. She hugs her cute doll, dance and twirl, jump so tall. They feed the funny duck, quack, 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 what good luck! My sweet puppy runs to me, barking loud so happily. Our big bus goes beep, 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 rolling slowly down the street. Your yellow book is nice to read, learning words is fun indeed. Their little rabbit hops around, jumping softly on the ground. Nouns are things we see each day, pronouns help us talk and play.